Hi, this is a simple tutorial to help you know how to spin those tickets in your grand prize drawing. The first thing you're going to do is to go to kilgorelibrary.beanstack.org in your browser. You won't be able to do this in the app. Then you're going to sign in. Fill in your email and your password, click sign in, and it should take you to a page like this. The page that you are on will be highlighted in red. I'm on the challenges page and that's where I want to go. If you're not there, click on challenges and it will take you to this page. Now click on ticket drawings in the second set of tabs and here you are. All of the prizes that we have are listed here with buttons to add tickets. You can see we've got Imaginative Toys, bikes, Lego sets, more Lego sets, pirate vest, and lots of dress-up dresses for princesses. So I'm going to go back up to the top and I'm going to find that classic Lego set and I'm going to click on the Add Tickets button. Then I can hit the plus sign and add as many tickets as I have available or want to add into that box. Click Enter and close out. And then I've done it. Now if I change my mind and just go back to that Subtract Tickets button, click on it, and it takes me back to a page. I hit the minus button and then I enter again. And I've removed my tickets and I can add them to anything else. There are two dates to know. July 24th is your last day to earn and spend tickets. And the week of July 27th is the week that winners are announced. We hope you have fun picking out your prizes. Thanks for watching.